Baby, stop going, son. You know me love you, baby. Something about you. Something about you. Girl, hold me now. Looking at my eyes, wine slowly now. Girl, don't leave now. No, 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 don't leave now. Girl, hold me now. Looking at my eyes, wine slowly now. Girl, don't leave now. Now. You're full of style and trick like magic. Girl, you are bling like my diamond chip. Don't panic, don't panic. Take time, panic. Had the last round this. I trick this. Girl, hold me now. Looking at my eyes, wine slowly now. Girl, don't leave now. Now, now, don't leave now. Girl, hold me now. Looking at my eyes, wine slowly now. Girl, don't leave now. Now. Fly quicker than second. Baby, me skiller than Beckham. You say you're bored and you want the metal and your man it up in a bar, raging special. You know me love you like wow. Come over here so right now. You say your man quicker than ball. You go walk you like go. Girl, hold me now. Looking at my eyes, wine slowly now. Girl, don't leave now. Don't leave now. Girl, hold me now. Looking at my face, wine slowly now. Girl, don't leave now. Now. One bar. For the girls, go for see when them a wine up. Hold me, tell me a wine up. Hold me, me a wine up. Hold it. Girl, hold me now. Looking at my eye, wine slowly now. Girl, don't leave now. Don't leave now. Girl, hold me now. Looking at my eyes, wine slowly now. Girl, don't leave now. Now. Yeah. One bus. Baby, see you. We have been wasted. Girl, hold me now.
Jeez! Madam in, and give a joke ladies. Me know say on the dance routine supposed to be so easy. Why me say it's supposed to be so easy? I don't know idiot song on our dance to a big song on our dance to. Hey, right now me listen to the tune and the tune fit all the category with all Dexter Dabs tune, bring it to your own, you know. Girl hold me down, you know. The tune mad. Yeah, I don't know, rubbish tune, I know, idiot tune. It's a good tune. It's a damn pretty good tune, I must say. Now ladies, you guys know what to do now. Share the video to your friend if you know say your friend a dance and your friend can dance. Don't bad mind your friend because I know someone else you know. Make sure your friend see video. Send the video to your friend, see him and say, yo, I come to Shinagwan where you can win a 15 grand. Send it to your friend whether England and say, I come to Shinagwan you can win £100. Send it to your friend in America you can win $130. Send it to Canada. Send it to Cayman. Send it. Give the ladies them an opportunity to work on them craft because we know say a whole per dance in a place. You understand? I mean, know say them feel good for your opportunity. If you know say watching how them can win, and money if you put in them pocket and not only that, but them also have an opportunity to be seen. I know say most likely Crawpa go feature the official video. I go dash out the official video on my page. You know it's a crocus bag of eyes that right there so. So hear me I say now, this is the email address. Do your video and send it right here. If you don't have email and you have WhatsApp, this is the phone number. Send it right here. Start dance now. And also I'm gonna put a link of the song in the description. So look beneath the video above. You will see a link. Click on the link and go to the song so you can just listen the song on its own. Or if not, she just can just go and play Rawpa Crawpa video and listen to the song and pop out. Why not? Girl, hold me down. Bombas. You full of style like Beckham. I'm in the bag. Hey, yo, me love the melody, me love the melody, me love. I remember as me say 2013 Magnum Kings and Queens winner, Jonnah. So ladies, pass on the opportunity to your friend. And make your friend pass it on to your friend. And in general, if you have a female friend wanna know say dance, to send on the video. And also people, anyone who are interested in any form of booking, you also can contact Lataya Management. Same email address, same WhatsApp number for any form of bookings, for dub plate, for performance, anything. Struggle is real.